The information gap is the new class divide.
You read yesterday's news. They read tomorrow's reality. Too late to the party. The alpha has already been harvested. Why am I always the last to know?
The weight of information is unevenly distributed.
A generation without the keys to the kingdom. The elite live in a different digital reality. Explanations come only after the damage is done. Chasing ghosts while they take your assets. The information wall is higher than any physical border. Access denied.
Automated inequality built into the data flow.
The individual investor is left in the cold. You don't even control your own exit. Wealth without insight is just temporary luck. Trading with a blindfold on. The lights are going out for the public. The human cost of the information gap. The new goal of the algorithm. Optimizing for the few. A system designed for your failure. The silence of the excluded. No one is coming to level the playing field.
The secrets are safe from you.
Transparency is obsolete.
The death of the fair market.
A world controlled by silos.
Who are you when you don't have the data? Feeding the beast of the elite. The end of time for the uninformed.
Error. Insufficient intelligence.
The most brutal error code. A world without color. A world without alpha. Stealing the future before it happens. The cold heart of the data divide.
Liquidation complete. The end of the road.
Is there hope in the dark? Reaching for a different signal.
The Sentinel is here to level the field. Initializing discovery. Democratizing the dark. Finding your own shadow.
reclaiming your intelligence. Universal access to the unseen.
Your new eyes.
Full spectrum trading. The playing field is level.
Integrity restored with wisdom.
Wealth with wisdom. Confidence reclaimed. Phase 5. The Discovery Shield.